Toyota fans, this is your RAV4. Hi everybody, Nick Skiba here, and I have a 2010 RAV4 Limited, which means alloy wheels, leather interior, heated seats, sunroof, and lots of other nice things. We're going to just go ahead and show you our gray interior. There's a little wear on the seats. I'm just going to show you this right now. It's nothing through, it's just there, and it's just from normal use. Bring you around on the dash here. No touch screen like all the new stuff, but definitely that nice dual zone climate control, heated seats, and mileage on this. Let me bring this right down in here to show you. There's our mileage, and whoop, bring it right on out here. I want you to be able to see the body is clean and straight. There is a ding or two and a chip to paint and a little scratch here and there, not a big deal. Got a nice cargo mat in here, and you can see the headliner is good. Second row of seats. We're going to close the hatch, which swings the opposite way that you think it ought to, actually, because of parking it on the curb. It sort of opens into the curb, where I would think you'd want to open it into the street to load it, but that's not a complaint, that's just an observation. Here is the interior for the back seat. Lots of room. Those seats are all the way back in the front, by the way, so that is the minimum amount of rear seat legroom. That is a lot of space. And working our way back, oh, let's take a quick look at the tires. Tire tread is exceptional, and we are working our way back across the passenger side of this vehicle. Come check it out at Snowy Mountain Motors. Won't be here long.